Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with GitHub Projects for project boards, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with GitHub Projects, navigate to the GitHub website and log into your account. Once logged in, find the repository where you want to create a project board. On the main repository page, click on the Projects tab located near the top. If you don't see the tab, you may need to enable it in your repository settings. Next, click on the green New Project button. You'll be prompted to select a template for your project board. Choose between a database, a basic Kanban board, or a custom template. After selecting the template, give your project board a name. Optionally, you can add a description to provide more context about the project. Once you've named your board, click on the Create Project button to proceed. You will now see your project board interface. To add cards to your board, click the Add a Card button. Enter the title of the task or item and hit Enter to create the card. You can click and drag cards between columns to update their statuses. To edit a card, simply click on it. Here you can add more details, assign team members, set due dates, and attach files. Remember to utilize labels and milestones for better organization. To share your project board with team members, click on the project settings at the top right. In the settings menu, you can manage access permissions. Once everything is set up, continue to manage your project by updating cards and tracking progress regularly. Utilize the project board view to keep your team aligned and focused on tasks. Periodically review your project board to adjust priorities and reflect on completed items. Now you're ready to effectively use GitHub Projects for your project management needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.